So if you want to go ahead and make your blog post more searchable, then you can actually go ahead and add in SEO keywords, that is meta descriptions, so that your search engine can keep track of it easily. And when someone searches for your blog, you have easy access to it. So for that, I can go ahead and choose manage blog post. And then what you can do is go around onto a particular blog that you want to edit, or you can do it in a new blog as well. And once that is done, you can actually go to settings right here. And then around over here, you'll be able to see change meta description option. Go ahead and click right here. And then what you can do is add in the meta description as you like. For example, you can go ahead and say something like education right here, separated by comma, and say something like learn new. And I'm going to say online learning, strikingly tutorial, tutor2, let's say, for example. You can go ahead and type in all of these and save, and the metadata for that particular blog post will be changed. And you can go ahead and click on publish to update that out right here. And then that particular metadata will be updated in your blog, and then those keywords will be linked onto your blog post, making it more searchable. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in meta description SEO for blog posts inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.